Question says, given an integer n, we need to find if it is an ugly number or not. Now, what is the definition of an ugly number? The only prime factors that it should have is 2, 3, 5. So whatever that n is, if it is equal to 2 power x, 3 power y into 5 power z and no other prime factors, right, then we'll say that it is an ugly number. One very major point to remember is that negative cannot be an ugly number, 0 can't be an ugly number. Why? Because of this point, only a positive integer. Very good to remember, because I was getting a TLE because I did not consider this case and I was doing a while loop which was just running and it was never exiting it. Yeah, so that's it. Now to find out this, we have to just find out if whatever number given in contention, is it divisible by 2 first. If it is divisible, keep dividing it by 2 until it is divisible by 2. Keep dividing it by 3 until it is divisible by 3. Then keep dividing it by 5 until it is divisible by 5. Now after doing all these cases, if the number comes out to be 1, the remainder of n comes out to be 1, then we know that this number is of the form 2 power x into 3 power y into 5 power z and it satisfies our ugly number condition. Let us just quickly look at the code, what we have done. So this is the main point to remember, that if it is a negative or a 0, we just return false, as it cannot be an ugly number provided in the question. Now these 3 lines are equivalent to this. We divide with 2 until it is divisible by 2, divide with 3 until it is divisible by 3, divide with 5 until it is divisible by 5. Now we just need to return true or false, right? So if that number was 1, we just return 1, or else we don't. We return a false, that it is not an ugly number.